But as I was looking on the group of presenters, what I come to realize it is that what we are going to be listening to, it is about 5 key different things that I think that connect very well and are going to help us to really sort of beginning to shape up the challenges that we have on this subject. We are going to learn about uncertainty. We hear about that this morning, and we all know how uncertain it is navigating in the world of climate change. We have here an angle on a methodology to handle uncertainty. We have another presentation that is going to complement on what is the role and how the ecosystem services come into this. We also have the very well-known GIS tool and how can it be applied to handle those elements and aspects. We are going to have a view and listening to some lessons that have been learned of groups like the World Bank navigating into the climate change. And also, we will have the great benefit of learning about local benefits when we mitigate climate change. So when I was saying that this is the base, you see how we have the opportunity through the different presentations to go through the universe of the different elements and from different angles and perspectives, which is the way how we have to learn to look climate change. We will make a very good sense this afternoon of different aspects of how we address climate change. So I'm incredibly pleased and excited to share the podium with my panelists. I'm going to be introducing one by one as they go on the presentation. I think that we are placed in order here as this is going to go. Let's give it a try and see. Phil Bayer is the first person, so it is on the most of my right. So yes, first one on the light. Dr. Bayer is a professor of civil engineering at the University of Toronto. His teaching, research, and professional work are in the areas of project evaluation and environmental impact and risk assessments. He's currently completing a second research project for the Canadian Environmental Assessment Agency on addressing uncertainties about climate change and project EIAs. With this, I will let Professor Bayer to walk us through his presentation.